Welcome to Venki's Academy. So today program that about the percentages chapter. We'll give some more examples regarding for this, how to solve in these online exams about the percentages part. See the question number, the first one. In an examination, 65% of the total examinees pass. If the number of the failures is 420, find the total number of examinees. So, maximum is 100%, minimum is here. In any exam, maximum marks, what is the meaning of maximum means? If you conduct the exam, how many marks, that is called a maximum marks. What is the meaning of minimum? Minimum is nothing but we can call it as a pass marks. So the maximum marks, however, that if you put the marks, that will be equal to always in terms of the percentage, 100%. Now see, in an examination, 65% of the total examinees pass. So out of 100%, 65% are passed. So passed is a 65 out of 100%. Remaining 35% is a failure. That means here the logic is, if the number of failures is 420, that means this 420 is a numerical value. This 420 numerical value will be equal to what percentage means? Failure percentage is equal to failure value. So here this 420 equal to 35%. So 35% equal to 420. Then they are asking, the question is find the total number of examined. That means total means we have to find about 100% value. Whenever if we ask about the total value, just we have to find 100%. Here, see that. That means here we can 35%. So 35% is equal to 420. So we have to find about 100%. See, just if we make it like the calculation, 35 ones 35, 35 ones 35 here, remaining 7 is there, 7 means 70, so 35 twos, so here 1% equal to, we'll get a 12 only. So they're asking the total number of examinees, that means 100%, just to put only 100 here, that will be here also 00, we'll get 100% equal to 1200. So the total examinees are 1200. Just by equating 35% equal to 420, we have to find about 100%. That means 1200 here. So the option here is the option is here. The fourth one is a option. Okay. Now see the next question, second question. So square root of 3.6% of 40 is equal to how much? Now we have to simplify this 3.6 into 40. First of all, that you have to declare this 40 will be equal to 100%. Out of this 40, out of this 40, just we have to find about 3.6%. Here it is a very numerical, very low value. We can find the 1% or 2%, 3% also. It comes here out of 40. This 10% is a 4. 1% is a 0.4. Now we have to find about 3%. Again 0.1% is too difficult to know. Let it be. So simply see here, 36 into 4 shortcut. Don't do points. Don't consider about decimals or something. First of all, we have to multiply with 36 into 4. 34 is 120. 6 4 is 24. You please consider about the numbers itself only. This consider as 36. This is a 4. 36 fours. 34 is 120, 6 4 is 24. 120 plus 24 means 144. So here the numerical value is 144. Here we'll get so basically we got a 144. So this 144 by, so we'll get a 0 for this decimal, the 0 will goes by 100. By 100 means So if you want to make it this 144 by 100 means we will get 1.44. This 1.44. If you make it the square root for this 1.44, we will get here a 1.2. So this 1.2 as an answer. So we have to like this. Let us see the next question. The third question in this one, 75% of a number when added to 75. 75 is the percentage here. The 75 is a numerical value here. If we add this 75% plus 75 will be equal to the number. Then the number is. Then the number is means we have to find about the 100% of the number in numerical value. See, we can see simply here. Let us see. We'll do within the fraction of seconds this question. Here 75% they had given already. This is a percentage, you know. When added to 75 plus 75, that is equal to, they had given the number. Equal to the number means equal to means is equal to. The number means that means that number means equal to 100%. Okay. See, this is a percentage, this is a numerical value, this is a percentage. Equal to the number means we have whatever the number in terms of the percentage, that will be equal to 100%. So this is the percentage. Okay, this is not a value, this is 100%. So 75% plus 75 equal to 100%. Instead of the 75, this is a value. This is 75%. For this, let us come to, don't consider this one. 75%. How much percentage if we add for 75%, that will be equal to 100%, means just 25%. Okay. So 25% is a percentage, 75 is a numerical value. So we can conclude the logic here. So 25% equal to 75. That is, so the problem is completed. So 25% equal to 75, 50% equal to 150, 100% equal to 300. So the answer is 300. The number is just logic. Once again, see, they had given the 75%. 75% of a number when added to 75. This is a numerical value, this is a percentage. Is equal to the same number means 100%. So the logic is here. However, the value here, that will be equal to 25%. Why it happens means already 75%. For the 75%, how much percentage if we add, that it will equal to 100% means 25%. So the 25% equal to 75. Logical. Now we have to find about 100%. That is a simple logical. So 25% equal to 75, 50% equal to 150 double. Okay. So 100% equal to 300. So this is the answer. Like this we can do the problem. And the fourth one here. This is we can call it as the percentage effect model. Here in this, see the question in this fourth one. There is no numerical value in this. On a decrease in the price of a TV sets by 30%, its sale is increased by 20%. So what is the effect on the revenue received by the shopkeeper? See about, we can call it as this model, percentage effect model. Let us consider about, we can see what is the meaning of percentage effect model. If you solve this problem, that is depends upon the answer. That means we should consider about the answer when compared to the 100. If it is exceeds more than the 100, how much? If it is more than the 100, we have to express that how much 100. If it is less than the answer, suppose we got the answer 110, so we should express the answer as a 10% increase. Suppose if we got the answer as a 90, if it is decreases to 10%, suppose we got the answer 120 finally, we should give the answer it is increases by 20%. What is the meaning of percentage effect means? We should express the answer as an effect. If it is exceeds the 100, more than 100, we should express the answer how much it has been exceeds 100. Suppose if we got the answer lagging by 100, how much has lagging, we have to express the answer. Okay, we should express the answer as an increment and the decrement of the 100. That is the main thing here. That is we can call it as a percentage effect. Let us see. Here on decrease in the price of a TV sets 30%. So basically the original value is 100%. 100% value. First we will do by shortcut way. Again we will do the, we can if it is possible we can put the numerical values also. The price of the TV which costs 100% original value in terms of percentage. This complete problem is concerned with the percentage, not a numerical value. Here they had, in this problem they had not given any value. So this model we can call it as the percentage effective model. We have to express the answer in terms of the percentage only, not in value. See, all the options also in the percentage. Okay. See, the original value is 100%. So here they had on decreasing by 30% of the TV sets. That means in 100%, 10% means 10, 30% decreased. That means 100 minus 30 means 70. Now the new value is 70, not 100. After it becomes 70, again we should consider the 70 as 100%. Its sale is increased by 20%. So in 70, 100% equal to 70. They are here increased by 20%. So in 70, if you consider 100% equal to 70, 10% means 7. So 20% means 14. This 14 has increased. So we should add the 14 for the 17. Why we have to add this 14 for 70 means 10%, 20% increased. Okay. So 70 plus 14 means 84. So finally we got the answer 84. But our aim is the answer should be compared with 100 finally. That means effect of 100. If it is lagging after 100, we should express the answer as lagging how much. If it is more than 100, we have to express the answer how much it has been increased. Now we got the answer is 84. If you compare with 100, it less than 60%. So the answer is here. So 16% decrease, not 16% increase. Okay. So each time we had considered 100%. Suppose if you want to do by mathematically, let us consider about the original value is 100% here. 30% decreases. 30% decrease means we should compare with the 70 by 100. 70%. 30% will be decreased means out of 100%, 70%. Again, if you do 20% increase means whenever the percentage decreases, we should subtract from 100. Percentage increase means we should add for 100. So here increase by 20% means it becomes 120. So the 120 by 100. So here in the numerator 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros. Okay. Denominator also 4 zeros. 4 zeros, 4 zeros gets cancelled. 12 sevens are 84. That equal to 84. Okay. Now see the answer. The original value is 100. So the final answer is 84. That means here the decrease by the original is 100. The answer is 84. How much it has been decreased means 16. So it is decreased by 16 means the answer is the fourth option. 16% decreases. Or we can do another model also. So just 100%, 30% decrease means the value is 70. So here 70. Okay, without the fractions model. Now it increases by 20% means 20%. Okay, this is a 20% increase. So again we have to consider this 70, the numerical value as 100%. In this, this 70 will be considered as 100%. 10% is a 7. In this 70, 20% is a 14. So 20% increase means 14 increase. So 70 plus 14 means 17 plus 14 means that equal to 84. Finally we got this. So 100% here the answer is 84%. The decrease is, so how much it is lagging behind means this is 100, this is 84. So here decrease by 16. So we get the answer 16% decrease. Okay. So this is one like this formation. Next question number. See the fifth one. The population of a town is here. The population of a town is here 8,000. It increases by 10% during the first year, and by next it has also increased by 20% find the population after 2 years. This also we can do different depth of methods, or we can do also the manipulations method. See, simply here the 8,000 we had to consider original population is 100%. So this 100% is 8,000. First is increased by 10%. So in this 8,000, 10% means 800. So it increases means we should add this 800 to 8,800. 8,000. That becomes 8,000. Here we got 8,800. So again, this 8,800 we have to consider 100%. We have to find about a 20% value. Let us see. Simply here, 8,000 here, 10% means 800. So 8,000 plus 800 means 8,800. So 8,800 here, again 20% increase. So 20% increase means in this 20% we have to increment. Okay. Now in this again we should consider this 8,800 as 100%. 10% means 880 here. In this 20% means 880 into 2. That means 800 2s are 1600. 80 2s are 160. That means 1760. So this means 8,800 plus 1760 equal to your answer. Okay. So let us see. You please keep the 8,000 here. 8,000 plus 1,000 means 9,000. Keep the 9,000 other side. 800 plus 700 means 1,500. 1,500 plus 60, 1,560. 1,560 plus 9,000. That means 9,000 plus 1,560 means we'll get the answer. So 10,560. This is the answer. So we can get the answer like this formation.
Thanks for watching, and please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below to our channel. Land to your dream job through Venky's Academy.